Hey YouTube. Okay. So I need people to tell me things that I can possibly draw for people. Um just wondering. I just love to draw, nothing major though, but still I just want to draw. So if you have any ideas of what I could draw, I can probably say thank you at the bottom with your name and then post that on YouTube. Um, I'll answer questions that you people want me to answer. Um, so yeah, that's about it. But where'd my cat go? Cat. Sorry, I have to get my cat. Come here, cat. Cat. This is my cat, people. My kitty cat. Yes, I'm gonna choke her. No, I can't choke my kitty cat. I love my kitty cat too much. Too much. Furball. Goodbye, kitty. We got a hair. Literally. Hey, also, guess what? Oh, also, ah.